Okay, don't mind my face. I'm about to get into my skincare, but I just wanted to show you guys that I have my hair just in a bun. And this is as natural as it gets, like no makeup, no wig, no extensions, no lashes, nothing, just me. I just wanted to show you guys some of the hair products that I use. So this is what I use in my hair to oil it, as well as some coconut oil, and I use that when I put my hair in a bun. And I just comb my hair out with that, and then I use that brush. Oh, and that's the wig I was wearing. But yeah. I feel like I overdid my makeup for what I wanted it to be. Like, I wanted it to be really simple, and it came out a little bit more extra than I wanted it, but whatever. I just wanted to keep my natural hair out because I'm going to be doing a sponsored wig review next week. I want to say I'm going to be doing a sponsored wig review next week, and I wanted to give my hair a break because too much glue on your forehead can make it white, and you know, the glue is not good for you at all. Like, it's always good to take a break from braids, from your natural hair, from wigs. It's always good to alternate so that your hair doesn't get trained from what you're doing, basically. I don't know if that made any sense, but basically I like to switch it up, so I switched it up, and I'm natural for today. And yeah, but today I don't really have much planned either. I know, like, I don't have much of anything planned ever. Sorry guys, these vlogs are not going to be always as exciting. I'm letting you guys know that right now because it's the truth. I was gonna put like my baby hairs out that's like frizzy and out right now. I was gonna put those down, but honey, I just don't really care. I don't really care. But yeah, so today maybe I will do my ponytails. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm gonna just split my hair in half and do one ponytail here, one ponytail there. I'm gonna look like a little kid, but okay, his oatmeal is ready, and I'm about to turn the TV on to his cartoons. I'm about to turn the TV on to his cartoons and wake him up for breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys after I wake him up and get him settled in and stuff. I'm gonna check back in because I'm sure you guys don't want to see that, and he's gonna be crying the most of the time. So after breakfast he'll be a happier baby. So I'll be back then. Guys, he has a marker on his shirt. Tell him how you got, hello, tell him how you got a marker on your shirt. Insane. But we're gonna check back in with you guys once we are done with breakfast. Yeah, he's really eager to eat, so. Ooh, the sun is beaming on a bitch, okay? I probably should have charged my camera battery, but today I've just been so tired. I think I'm gonna sleep early tonight because I'm tired, you guys. Tired, but I'm still gonna vlog. I have to go to Ikea first. I'm gonna go pick Prince up from work. Then I have to stop at Ikea to return those blinds that you guys seen in the first Vlogmas because they were just too long. It was no way I was gonna just let that sit in my living room. So those are getting returned. We had bought 4 of them, so we had to drive all the way out there just to return them, and then we'll probably just be home. Nothing really exciting, but I'm still gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, so I'll check back in once I get Prince from work. Like, please, somebody just buy me another one of these coats, because I will wear these until the day that I die, okay? I will wear all big, fluffy teddy bear coats until I fucking die, okay? I feel like a light, cute, little natural beat. I just have my brows really done and I have a little bit of foundation, but that is all. That is it. That is all. And I'm gone. Time to get Prince.
I'm finished. I dropped it.
The stuff is in a trunk. True. I hear you. It's super blurry. I need to pick this thing out of this coat because it's bothering me. Okay guys, so we are at Ikea. Wow, that is actually really good for him actually. But I would want a bed that he can climb out of on his own too. Unless you could get some wood. You could get some wood and then build, you could put like bars. You get 2 little wooden pieces, well 4, so you could put it in between, and then yeah, and then drill it on. Fuck around and do that with his crib now. Get them bars and just put them horizontal instead of vertical, and just use like 2 of them.
Yes, and yeah, but it was 3 and you only gave me return for 2.
Can you hold this for me really quickly while I get this out of my coat?
I gave you 2 and I was last year.
Fuck this shit up. Getting crazy. Thank you. They were way too long.
There are 3 words that mean everything when you live with migraine. I am here. Aim to say that more with Aimovig, a preventive treatment for migraine in adults that reduces the number.
Hey guys, it is day 6 of Vlogmas, December 6th. And I am getting ready to go to physical therapy because, well, we already talked about this. We all know why I'm going to physical therapy. But I wasn't really planning to vlog today. That's why I have no makeup done. My hair is a mess, so I threw on this like headband thing. Perfect for the winter, but also perfect for bad hair days. And but yeah, I was really not planning to film today. Today was supposed to be just my edit and upload day because I was like feeling a little bit overwhelmed, but I ended up editing and uploading pretty early. Actually, yeah, let me turn it this way. So I ended up actually editing and posting it really early. Well, it's not posted yet. It's currently downloading now. And this is day 2. That's how behind I am. Like, I have so many videos that I need to edit and upload. It's like I feel like the more videos I have to edit and upload, the more likely I won't want to do it. I didn't know it was gonna be like that. Like, honestly, I'm still gonna edit them and upload them, of course, because I am trying to stay on top of my YouTube channel. But next year, I know for a fact that I'm gonna do my Vlogmas weekly. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'll put the last couple of days if I do something like you know, specifically to set to a certain day. I'll vlog that separately as its own Vlogmas. But I'm most likely next year going to be doing them weekly, because filming and editing and uploading all in one day, that's insane. Like, I could barely do that for 2 days, so let alone in one day. So I'm sorry, you guys, if you guys were expecting a vlog every day, but I didn't vlog. So what I have for my YouTube channel now, oh, I can't even talk right now. Let me talk. I gotta get on the road. I'm gonna talk to you guys in the car, so give me 1 second while I find my way to the car, because I'm gonna be late. Okay, so where was I? So yeah, hold on. It's probably gonna be a little bit dark because, so yeah, I couldn't film on the 3rd because, for one, I did not have anything to film. I had nothing to film. And then for 2, I had nothing to film on the 3rd. And then, like, I thought I was gonna be able to upload and edit, but I was just so tired. Like, that day I did absolutely nothing, absolutely zero. And then on the 4th, I think I did a little bit of something. I think I took my son to the library. Okay, so we are at the library now. He's gonna always say hello to this camera, I swear. And then that was pretty much it. And then yesterday I did a little bit of something, but I couldn't even film it because I ran out of space on my SD card. So I'm just all over the place this week. It's just so freaking insane. It's gonna get better next week, I promise. By the weekend it's gonna get better. But I just been so tired lately, you guys. Like, I don't understand what it is that is making me so tired. Maybe it's because I'm just going to sleep so late. Even now I'm still tired, like, but I'm about to be on my way. Let me get on the road now because traffic is about to be fucking insane, and I know it is. So yeah, so right now I am headed to my therapy session. Today is my last day. I think today's my last day, and then I go back to check in with my doctor on the 15th. Is the 15th or something? 16th, something. Sometime next week I have to go back to check in with my doctor to make sure everything was up to par from therapy. And yeah, but yeah, so I am not gonna film anymore because I'm pretty much just gonna be driving there, and I don't want to be rambling because I know you guys are probably gonna be skipping through this shit. I know you guys are gonna be skipping through if I end up rambling, so I'm not even going to continue to talk. I'm just going to drive there. I gotta make it there at 3:30, and I got like 35 minutes to make it there. I'm hoping there's no traffic, and I hope that I can find parking, because on the north and west side, it's like fucking impossible to park your car. Fucking, even to pay to park, it's fucking impossible to find pay to park. It's so fucking crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get there. I'm so freaking mad, you guys. So you guys seen how far my freaking you guys seen how far my YouTube video was uploaded right before I left the house. And on my way here, I needed my GPS, so I put my GPS on really quick, check where I was going. All right, cool. I had to go around traffic. And then I go back to my YouTube app, and that shit says error uploaded. Error uploading video. Like, now I have to start from zero. Like, I'm trying not to let this discourage me. I'm about to try to upload it again right now, but like, why? Like, why? Oh, and YouTube takes so fucking long to upload. Like, it takes so long. I don't know what the fuck. Why YouTube takes so damn long to freaking upload stuff. Vlogmas. Alright, so I'm here, I'm parked. I'm gonna upload the video again. As you guys can clearly see, I gotta, you know, type in the title and shit. I gotta type everything in. So I'm about to upload this again, and then I'm about to make my way inside because it is 3:20 and I gotta be there at 3:30. And yeah, so I will check back in with you guys probably after, because I don't think they're gonna let me, you know, vlog inside because it's an open space and I don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable, because it is physical therapy and that's not, like, you know, a place where people come dressed up. So yeah, I'm gonna just check back in with y'all when I get inside. Guys, okay, so I'm just waiting for the cars to warm up, and I'm GPSing to get to Prince's job. He's gonna be mad because it says 13 minutes away. So I'm actually gonna pull off now because the car didn't take that long to warm up. I was only in there for an hour. I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get in the house, but just know I just left from therapy and I'm on my way to Prince, and it says it's gonna take me like 15 minutes to get to him, and I'm already running late, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so I'm back. Let me put this light on. Okay, I know my light is like super bright. I'm gonna try to stay in front of the light, but I'm back from therapy and I just wanted to show you guys like super quickly what she did to my back. So you guys probably, well, I don't know if you guys know, but I have scoliosis. So my spine is like kind of like weird shape. It has a curve and it causes like this shoulder to be higher than this one. So my left shoulder is a lot higher, you can see starting at the neck, than my right shoulder, and it also causes me to have my rib cage popped out. So what she did was she put tape on my shoulder down my back to reposition my shoulder to fall back because it's forward. It's so hard to explain, but basically she just wrapped tape on my back to help me with a better posture, I suppose.